So I'm Kayleigh Barker. I work for Worcester Bosch as a graduate in our HR department. My parents moved to Worcester for my dad's job when I was quite young, and I haven't really left the area since. I completed all my schooling in Worcester, attended the University of Worcester. My family are all still here. My friends and my partner are all here, so I didn't really feel the need to look elsewhere. Truth be told, it wasn't manufacturing specifically I was looking for with a career. But when I came to my interview at Worcester Bosch and walked onto the factory floor for the first time, it's something you can't really forget. Even now, 3 years on after that interview, it's difficult not to be impressed with the sheer size of the operation and all the different processes that have to go on to turn all these individual parts into the products that we sell. So, in my specific role at Worcester Bosch, I'm responsible for our early careers programs. So, I'm the HR representative for our apprentices, our placement year students, and our graduates. So, I support them through the employee life cycle from when they're recruited all the way through to when they leave the business. I'm also responsible for making sure that they have the best possible experience. So I'm regularly reviewing the offering of our schemes and if they're still the right fit for our talent of the future to make sure that they're still what everybody's looking for. Sue Pennington, our corporate communications manager, was the brains behind the operation of National Manufacturing Day here at Worcester, so I can't take too much credit there. I was asked to be involved along with our STEM representative, Tessina, to provide information to the visitors on the day on how we support early careers and routes into the manufacturing discipline. For anyone looking to get into an engineering discipline at Worcester, there's no one way to do it. We have engineering apprentices and are also supporting placement students and graduates who've chosen to go the university route. So, whichever education route you decide to take from school, we like to think that we've got an option for everybody. At Worcester, we look for personal attributes in candidates rather than skills, as skills can be taught, but attributes can't be. As long as you're willing to learn, open to feedback, and curious enough to ask questions, then we can teach a lot of the technical skills that you'd need to know for a manufacturing role. I really like living in Worcester as it's a city, but it feels a lot more like a town. You're always bumping into people that you know in and around the area. It's also great that it's so well connected. If you want to spend the day in the countryside, it's only a short drive away from the Cotswolds. And if you want to spend the day in a bigger city, it's only a short distance from Birmingham. So Worcestershire itself is a great gateway as it's accessible to lots of places, so can suit pretty much anybody.